Inheritance seems like the perfect tool for code reuse until it breaks your entire codebase with one change. Let's see why composition is often the smarter choice. Inheritance creates tight coupling between parent and child classes. When you inherit from a base class, your subclass depends on every detail of that parent. Change one method in the parent, and suddenly all child classes are at risk. This makes refactoring dangerous and evolution painful. Your inheritance tree becomes fragile, where touching the root can shatter every branch. Composition flips this model. Instead of inheriting behavior, you assemble it from multiple independent components. Need logging, authentication, and data validation? Just compose objects that provide each capability. You're not locked into a single parent class. You can mix and match behavior from anywhere, avoiding the rigid single inheritance limitation that inheritance imposes. Composition also encourages programming to interfaces rather than concrete implementations. You depend on contracts, not specific classes. This means you can swap out implementations without changing client code. Inheritance ties you to a concrete hierarchy. Composition gives you abstraction and flexibility. Consider a classic example. You have a bird class with a fly method. You extend it to create sparrow and penguin. But wait, penguins don't fly. Now you're overriding fly to throw an error or do nothing, violating the Liskov substitution principle. The inheritance model broke down because not all birds share flying behavior. With composition, you'd give flying birds a flight component and leave it out for penguins. Problem solved, no hierarchy gymnastics needed. Finally, composition makes runtime flexibility trivial. Swap out a logger, change a data source, or toggle features by replacing components on the fly. Inheritance locks behavior at compile time. Composition adapts as your program runs. Bottom line, composition beats inheritance because it decouples your code, avoids single inheritance traps, and lets you swap behavior on the fly. Practice this principle at interviewmentor.ai and nail your next interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.